Assalamu alaikum guys. In this tip, we will learn how to upload file quickly and in perfect way. First of all, I have this upload file request and I am saying my file key validation must be required and it must be filed. And my controller here, I accessed it using request file method and accessing to my name, this key here, my file. And now let's try this. I select this endpoint and I select the file. Here is this image, and now to upload it directly after accessing to it, we can say my file, store, and select the folder you want. For example, I want to save it in images folder. Let's back and send our request after selecting the image. Success. Back to see our files under app. Here we have our image. If you want to save it publicly, we can say store publicly. Back and resend the request again. Success also, and save it publicly. If you want to save it in public disk, we can say here in options, second parameter, disk public, resend again, success, and we will notice that app folder now has public folder /images and saved correctly also. If you want to access to this file name, we can say here dd my file hash name method, and we will get the file name. Even after uploading, it will not be changed. So for example, after uploading it, after storing it here, I will write it to my logger info, and I will upload it now. Success. And here we have these two images, back and check x0, here the same file name that uploaded are equal. So here's quickly how to upload file. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you next video.